Team, we're making some breakfast paninis on my new Pit Boss Ultimate Griddle coming up. It's Cooking with CJ, the show about cooking, drinking, barbecue, and all the other stuff that goes along with it. I'm gonna show you how to make quick, easy, tasty recipes and have a little bit of fun along the way. So let's get this party started. What's up, everybody? Welcome to Cooking with CJ. I'm CJ. Welcome to my backyard. We're not in the kitchen today, we're outside. We're gonna make some breakfast paninis on my Pit Boss Ultimate Griddle. All right, so this is the new hotness out there. I know a couple other YouTubers got their hands on this and I want you to check them out. Got the Waltwins and Tommy from the Gallery Backyard BBQ. Actually, all three of us got these new Pit Boss Ultimate Griddles, and we set up a new Facebook group for it. So if you want to join, if you're interested in these griddles, join that Facebook group down below. I'll also put the links for the Waltwins and for the Gallery Backyard BBQ down below too. So make sure you check them out. Tell them CJ sent you. Tell them you're part of CJ's crew. All right. Speaking of that, if you're a returning subscriber, already part of CJ's crew, and know I love you. If you're new to the channel, please hit that red subscribe button, that bell next to it so you get alerts on all what we're doing here. All right, so again, we're on the griddle today. We're gonna make some breakfast paninis. Now, you can just make these regular old breakfast sandwiches, but I have a hamburger weight, you know, something you use for smash burgers, right? I know not everybody has one of those, but this is gonna turn these from breakfast sandwiches into breakfast paninis. We're gonna toast the inside of the bread as we build these sandwiches, right? We got eggs, bacon, ham, and some Swiss cheese, a little bit of butter too. As we're building the sandwich, we're gonna toast the inside of the buns. We're gonna put the sandwich together and then we're gonna press it with that press. Now, if you don't have a weighted press like I do, I got you. I'll put a link down below to Amazon. You can check it out and get you one. If not, just make breakfast sandwiches, kind of push them, smush them, toast them up, and you'll be good to go. Okay, let's get over to the Pit Boss here and let's get started. Right now, we only have 2 burners on. We have the left burners off. We're gonna do the majority of our cooking over here because we don't need all these burners on for making just 2 sandwiches. I'm gonna go ahead and get these bacon strips on. We got some thick cut bacon. That's right, you gotta love that sizzle. Got 6 slices going for good measure. I'm gonna go ahead and get this press on here, get as many of them pressed down as possible, and make sure they don't curl up. Come on back when these are done. Okay, team, our bacon is sitting over there, nice and crispy and warm. We're gonna go ahead and get our eggs. We've beaten up 5 eggs right here with a little bit of pepper and some kosher salt. We're gonna make 2 sandwiches out of this. We have some bacon grease down, but you know I'm gonna throw a little knob of butter in there because butter makes everything better, along with bacon for sure. So we're gonna get that melted down. This ceramic surface, you do not need oils or fats or whatever to make it. It's a non-stick surface, but I like butter with my eggs. So we're gonna add the eggs in. Whoa. And this will definitely be a quick fry. Quick scramble, if you will. Get that butter getting up all in there. And we'll portion this out for 2 sandwiches. Cut it in half. Got it about the length of the rolls, give or take. Going heavy duty with some Swiss today. I'm gonna move both of these over to the side so they stay warm. They're already cooked, didn't take that long at all. This sandwich is gonna come together really quickly. Next thing, we're gonna heat up some ham. We got 4 slices of ham. Kind of tore up on me here, but that's okay. While these are going, let's toast up the buns. We got them buttered up, okay? I like them toasty from the inside and the out. This is definitely not the diet sandwich. I forgot to say the temperatures we had these at. On the right side, we have them on pretty medium low. This surface gets pretty hot pretty quickly, and we're doing some nice, easy cook stuff here, so we don't need to really cook the hell out of it, if that makes sense. We don't need it heavy duty on us. These buns are looking good. I'm pushing them down here so we can get a little contact in the middle. Remember, we're smashing these down anyway, so we're good with that. Here's the first bottom. Second bottom, looking toasty as can be, looking good. All right, let's build this. I'm gonna go with a little ham on the bottom first. How we doing over there? All right. How these buns looking? All right, toasty. Let's get these eggs on. That slid on there like that. Each one's getting 3 slices of bacon because why the hell not? Ooh, don't that look like a thing of beauty right there? Let's crown these bad boys. Let's get them smashed. Got them right next to each other. That good weight, that press. They're nice and toasted. You go. We're gonna give it a, I don't know, 30 count. And then we'll give them a flip, finish them off. All right, we're giving it a solid 30 count. Let's give it a flip. Let's separate it. They got to know each other a little bit. It's okay. Give it a flip. Oh, look at that crust. Oh, it's beautiful. It's a thing of beauty. One more little press for about 30 seconds and we'll be done. All right, the paninis are done. Let's get one of these cut up and have a little taste test. What do you say? All right, time to cut into this bad boy. Let's do a little cross section on. Get a nice sharp knife in there, cut it through. What you know about that, guys? Look at money in the bank, guys. You know it's gonna be so damn good. Now you know it's gonna be my privilege to taste this. Look, you got the bacon sticking out. Look, the layers, ham, eggs, Swiss, bacon, lots of butter in there. Cheers, y'all. Well, it's not the love. All right, guys, you know it's money in the bank. I hope you give it a shot. Don't forget that Facebook group I was telling you about for the Pit Boss Ultimate Griddle. If you guys want to get one of these, I'll put the link down to Pit Boss down below. It's an affiliate link. Doesn't cost you anything more to use, but it helps out the channel. If you guys want to become part of CJ's crew for real here on YouTube, hit that join button. Get your name at the end of the scroll like these people right here and help out the channel a little bit more. But that's it for this one, guys. I hope you have a wonderful, wonderful week. Thanks for stopping by. Thanks for cooking with CJ. Take care.